Hi everyone, this is Sugantha Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Full Stack Web Development. The topic is about web designing issues including browser in the subject Essence of Web Technology. The outline of the presentation includes the issues related to the browser like poor navigation, slow loading speed, lack of mobile responsiveness, confusing layout, pure typography, lack of accessibility, inconsistent design, broken lines, lack of calls to action and poor content. Introduction. Every web designer must consider a variety of factors while creating a website, which includes how it is going to appear and function on different browsers and devices, and also the overall user experience the user is going to gain. And also the web designers should ensure that the website is accessible to all type of users, including with disabilities. By addressing these issues, the web designers can create websites that are visually appealing, easy to navigate, and provide a positive experience for all type of users over the web. What is web designing issues including browser? Web designing issues related to the browser includes browser compatibility, that is, websites may appear differently or not function properly across different browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari and the Internet Explorer. Designer must ensure that the websites are tested and optimized for various browsers to ensure a consistent user experience. Next is a responsive design. With the increasing use of mobile devices to access websites, designing for responsiveness is very crucial. Websites must be able to adapt and display correctly on a different screen sizes and resolutions to provide a positive user experience. Next is the performance. Slow loading times can frustrate users and lead to high bounce rates. Web designers must optimize websites for speeding or reducing the size of images and scripts, utilizing caching techniques and minimizing the HTTP request. Next is the accessibility. Website should be designed in such a manner that is it should be accessible to all type of users, including those with disabilities. Designers must consider aspects such as color contrast, text size, keyboard navigation, and screen reader compatibility to ensure an inclusive experience for all type of users. Next is a security. Designers must prioritize security measures when designing websites to protect the user data and cyber attacks. This includes implementing SSL encryption, securing forms and payment gateways, and regularly updating the software periodically to patch the security vulnerabilities. We will discuss about various web design issues. The first one is the poor navigation. Poor navigation in a website refers to difficulties users encounters when trying to move around and to find information on a website. This can be caused by a variety of factors including confusing menu structures, unclear labels, hidden links or slow loading pages. One common issue that contributes to poor navigation is not designing with the browser in mind. Different browsers have varying levels of compatibility with the web design elements such as plugins, scripts and animation. Next is the slow loading speed. Some common browser related issues that contribute to slow speeding includes outdated browser, overloaded browser cache, browser extension and lack of browsers. Next is a lack of mobile responsiveness. In the lack of mobile responsiveness, so the user experience a very bad experience in the websites, and also SEO ranking, browser compatibility, slow loading times of the web browsers and the brand reputation. Next, fourth one is your confusing layout. A confusing layout in a web design refers to a design that is not user friendly or difficult for visitors to navigate. This can include cluttered pages, inconsistent navigation, unclear hierarchy of information, and overlay the complex or confusing elements. In the context of browsers, a confusing layout may occur when a website is not optimized for a particular browser. Next, fifth is your poor typography. Poor typography in a web design can lead to serious issues for both the user experience and the functionality of the website. Some common problems that arise from the poor typography includes illegibility, inconsistency, lack of hierarchy, and slow loading times. Next, sixth is a lack of your accessibility. And the lack of accessibility in web design refers to websites that are not easily navigable or usable by individuals with disabilities such as visually impaired individuals. Uh, One common issue contributing to lack of accessibility in web design is a lack of compatibility with the different web browsers. Different web browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Internet Explorer may interrupt and display the websites very differently. Next, seventh one is your inconsistent design. In the inconsistent design, refers to issues that arise when a website is not displayed the same way across different browsers. So this can happen because different browsers interpret code differently, or because certain styling elements are not supported by all browsers. And also, when a website design is inconsistent across browsers, it can lead to poor user experience. Next, eighth is your broken lines. A broken line is nothing but it is a hyperlink on a website that leads to an error page instead of the desired destination. So this can be frustrating for the users and can negatively impact their experience on the website. And also, broken lines may occur for a number of reasons, including the linked page has been removed or moved to a different URL without the original link is being updated, and also the URL may be mistyped, or it may contain errors. So ninth is your lack of calls to action. A call to action is a prompt on a website that encourages visitors to take a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter, downloading, and or making a purchase. One common issue that when there is no clear CTA on a website, the visitors may not know what is the next step or what action they can take on the site. For example, if the goal is to generate leads without CTA prompting visitors to sign up for a webinar or download a white paper, the website may not effectively capture leads. Next, 10th one is your poor content. The poor content in the web design refers to any text, images, videos, or other elements that are not engaging, informative, or relevant to the target audience. So this can include outdated information, low quality images, excessive advertisement, spelling and grammar errors, and lack of coherence or in an organization. Next is the browser compatibility issues occur when a website is not optimized to function properly on a different web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or an Internet Explorer. And also, the web design issues, including browser compatibility, play a crucial role in creating a seamless and a user-friendly online experience. It is very important for the web designers to consider various browsers and devices when developing a website to ensure that it is accessible to a wide range of users. By addressing these issues and staying up to date with the latest web design trends, designers can create a successful website that engages users and prompts overall satisfaction. Thank you.